We're going to see this as a blip in time with respect to atmospheric emissions and deposition into the environment that we might be able to pick up, but I really don't see it as being any type of long-term positive impact on the ecosystem. You see a reduction in emissions, but it comes back strong when things start picking up. Really, the only way that we start to see these positive impacts on an ecosystem are a change in long-term habit that is usually driven by a change in policy. We can't take a field season off and miss these environmental changes that we're seeing and try to learn from those. We can't go back in time. So what we're doing, we're sending skeleton field crews out and still collect data and not miss these very unique environmental conditions that we're seeing today.